Let's make some chicken and roasted vegetables. Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Today is one of those days when I didn't feel like having rice, pasta, etc. I just wanted vegetables, and what better way to have it than with some chicken. So I'm going to do that today. I'll be roasting potatoes, carrot and pumpkin, and during the season you get these small pumpkin or squash as you call them, and they're very sweet and they're nice to roast. I'll be roasting with my vegetables some fresh seasoning, which I'll be using a generous amount of garlic, sweet pepper, onion, you can choose whichever or less, and some tomatoes. I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil and some roast vegetable herbs, along with my green seasoning and crushed garlic and also some crushed ginger. In my bowl I have pieces of chicken meat. I have the leg, which I've flared, and the thigh, which I've cut into two. And I'm going to get them seasoned and leave them for about an hour for marinating. Now to season my chicken, I'll be using some mixed herbs with some pepper flakes, and this is what I call my salt, so, my all-purpose seasoning, which is very salty. I'll be using some black pepper, a little more garlic powder, and some Sazon seasoning. Now, as I've always said, always make a consistent blend. That's my Sazon 1 tablespoon, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and for garlic granules, I'll be using the same amount, half a tablespoon. Now this is my blend for seasoning. Now remember, use whatever seasoning you like and what you have. Now that you've seasoned the meat, allow it to marinate for at least an hour. It's time to prep our vegetables, and I'll be peeling my carrot, potatoes, cut and peel the squash. Now you may use other vegetables, the ones you like. You can use courgette, aubergine, whatever vegetable you like will be perfect. Along with my vegetables, I'll be roasting also some other vegetables like onion and sweet pepper and tomato and some garlic. This brings flavor, and also it's very delicious when roasted. Now chop your vegetables in chunks. These are good bite-sized pieces for roasting. Now coat your vegetables with oil, olive oil preferably, a generous amount. Then we add our green seasoning with garlic and ginger right here. And then we have some dried roasting herbs. And then I sprinkle some salt. Now we're going to season the vegetable. With your hand mix well. Coat every vegetable. And if you need more seasoning, just add. Now it's time for baking, and we're going to just throw the vegetable in our baking tin. Now we spread them out. At this point we're going to add our tomatoes. Just putting it all over the tin. Now I'm going to add this tray. This is where I'm going to add my chicken. And the juices of the chicken will help to cook the vegetables. Now that we finished putting everything together, we're going to put it in an oven, preheated oven at 150 Celsius, 300 Fahrenheit for an hour. Now we place it on the middle shelf. Halfway through the process, we're going to check our meat, and then we're going to cover with a piece of foil to lock in the moisture. Place the cooked chicken on top of the vegetables. Now this is a little buffalo sauce with some mustard, a little ketchup, and I'm just painting the meat only because I want the vegetable to be in its authentic taste. Turn the oven down and put it back in and watch it for about 2 minutes. Then your meal will be done. Now look at this, guys. You could call this a one-pot meal. In fact, it is a one-pot meal. The vegetables absorbed the flavor from the chicken, but the chicken with the final glaze made it stand out. And while eating, you could distinctly taste the difference. One was sweet and tangy, the chicken, and the vegetable was savory, soft, and flavorful. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.